So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in services. Click on it. And now once we're here, you want to scroll down until you find print spooler. Here it is. Double click on it. Make sure you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will then make the server status running. And then click on OK. Now you want to click on restart. You want to restart the print spooler service. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to go to search and type in printers and scanners. Click on it. Now once we're here, if your printer does show up, you want to click on it. Then you want to click on remove. After you remove your printer, you want to click on add device. Make sure that your printer is plugged in. It should then automatically detect your printer. If it does, it will then add it for you. If it does not detect your printer, you want to click on add a new device manually. Go with the option that's most applicable to you. Click on next. Then you want to re-add your printer. Then it should be working for you. For the next method, unplug your printer and then plug it back in again. For the next method, go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once we're here, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find printer. Click on run. And now this will come up, the printer troubleshooter. You want to scroll down and then click on yes to run the printer diagnostics. You want to go through the steps that will come up here, see if that works. If not, come back to the printer troubleshooter and then click on no, this does not solve your problem. More steps are going to come up, just follow through them. Just go through everything here in the printer troubleshooter and then hopefully this will work for you.